is a total of 5.5 pounds of chicken. I do have a gizzard, liver, 3 thighs, and this is 14 pieces of dry meat, 7 pieces of dry meat, and 7 pieces of winglet. So a total of 5.5 pounds. Alright, and then we're going into pour the sauce and marinate it for half an hour or overnight. Make sure everything is under the sauce. So give it about half an hour or overnight, or at least an hour or two if you're going to cook it today. Alright, cover this up, put it in the fridge, and we're going to fry it. Lightly fry it. Okay guys. Okay guys, I start browning the chicken. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna brown the chicken, the thigh, and also the winglet, okay? Using all the winglet and the drum. A total of 14 pieces, but you can use the entire wings. You don't have to cut it if you want. Whatever you desire. Okay guys, the remaining oil, leave it there, and we're gonna pour the sauce and the gizzard. Okay, the gizzard is tougher than regular thigh or wings, so we're gonna reduce the stock or the sauce with this gizzard in it. Okay guys. Alright guys, our sauce has been reduced. It's a little bit sticky right now. The gizzard is not quite done or soft, but so is our thigh and leg is only like we just lightly brown it. So we're gonna put it back. Together, make sure they got all the sauce, and I'm gonna give this about 15 to 20 minutes. Temperature back in high, and our liver is not done yet, it's not cooked yet, so yeah, give it about 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to put the liver on top. Just leave it there for a couple of minutes. Do not mix, because right now it's very soft. We don't want to break it. So yeah, just leave it on top and cover it. About 3 to 4 minutes. The liver is a little bit firm right now, so we can mix it with the sauce. Alright, it should be done in a couple of minutes. I'm just gonna let it, the sauce be just a little bit. It's soupy right now, I want it dry. Alright, so we're gonna cover it back. Let's reduce the sauce a little bit, and it's ready to serve. Alright guys, our overload chicken adobo is ready to serve. Actually, I let it rest for half an hour, and look how rich it is. Hope you guys try this recipe. This is your Miss T Home Cooking. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel and give it a just like and subscribe, and give it a thumbs up if if you like the recipe. Hope you try this. It's delicious. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Bye guys.